Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Free Fire completely silent or are footsteps and gunfire audio missing during matches? Here's the fix. First, check the physical mute switch on the side of your phone and make sure that it doesn't flip to silent. Then use the volume buttons to confirm your media volume is turned all the way up. Since Free Fire's audio is tied to your device's media volume, not the ringer. Next, go to your settings, go to Bluetooth and check if you're connected to a Bluetooth device you're not actually using, since your game audio can silently get routed there instead of your phone speaker. Tap the letter I next to any connected device and tap disconnect if needed. Force close Free Fire from your recent apps and then reopen it fresh, since a stuck audio session often clears on a relaunch. If sound is missing, go to settings or go to your control center and make sure that do not disturb isn't silencing the app sounds. Finally, reset your phone completely to clear any deeper audio conflict, and that's it. All you've got to do is check your mic mute switch volume and disconnect straight Bluetooth, force close and reopen, restart if needed, and that's it. Sound should be back on. Subscribe.